So welcome to the first pour of 2022. You know, when I started fluid art, I vowed I was never, ever going to pour on a round canvas. It just wasn't my jam, you know? Whatever. But I found some little MDF boards. These are actually like tabletops. I've gessoed it. I always forget that word. And then I'm going to do layer the colors in the cup and then dump it on the canvas. And then I'm gonna use a little swiping palette and some floetrol thing, and I'm gonna get some lacing, and I'm gonna put it on my little spinner. I'm gonna spin this thing around. But the interesting thing is, and what I hope you'll stay tuned for, at the end of this video, I'm going to actually show you where I intend to put this. Yeah, it's not gonna be hung on the wall. No, I'm hoping that is interesting enough for you to wanna stay through to the end, where I show you where I intend to put this. Anyway, my name is Tiffany Ramay and welcome to my channel. And please meet me down on my spinner. Yeah, my spinner. That sounds interesting. It sounds funny. It sounds, I don't know, whatever. All right, so here we go with my latest addiction, my Australian floetrol mixed with titanium white by Amsterdam. As you can tell, I really have no clue what I'm doing. This is the first time I've actually ever taken a palette knife and dragged anything through the paint with the Australian floetrol to get some cells or lacing. I don't know. So here we go. I'm going to spin her out and see what happens. Okay, well now I'm just going to pick up the whole thing and just tilt it. I don't know if that's allowed. Doing this technique. I don't even know what technique this actually is. So I'm just going to try to cover the rest of the canvas or the round with this, and I don't know, see what happens. And you can see I don't really care for how this is turning out. So I'm just going to throw some gold ribbons in there. I don't know honestly what I was thinking. Obviously I just wasn't thinking. I think I'm going to spin it both ways, and I'm not going to love either spin. Yeah, again, like I said, I have no clue what I'm doing. And now I'm going to go and grab my Australian floetrol mixture with that titanium white, and I'm going to drag it through. And do you see? I don't even know how to drag. Look at that mess. Yeah, it's just a disaster. But you know what? The end result, it's actually kind of pretty. I didn't, as a first attempt to do whatever it is I'm doing, which I don't even know if it has a name. But anyway, if you're liking my content, please like, subscribe, turn on your notifications so that we know I make a new mess on a table. Anyway, thanks again for watching. And please let me know in the comments below what you think of, obviously, my first attempt on doing whatever this is on a round, as well as where I end up putting this. I'm curious to hear your thoughts. I'm hoping that you'll join me about it. I have to come up with a fun name for my spinner. Yeah. Because I'm kind of spinny. Just for your viewing pleasure, I've actually put in contacts today just so that you don't get the ridiculous glare of the ring lights in my glasses. To be honest with you, I can't fully see with my contacts in. I will now need to go remove my contacts, put on my glasses, and then I can paint.